Hello everyone, so this is my Kyosho HOR rider, and this is for the Kevin Schwantz Pepsi theme. And up next is the build. So today we are gonna be working on the Kyosho HOR rider, alright? And I have everything that I need on here. The action figure or rider figure with my custom made head or helmet and face, and this was actually hand painted by my wife. Kudos. All right, look at that. It looks really good, right? All right, and these I painted myself, so this is gonna be my color scheme, the white blue thingy. And then I think the other parts that we need are on this bag. Reason why it took me a while to get all the parts needed to complete the parts needed is because I don't have an access to the kit itself in buying the kit itself, so I have to buy each parts bag separately as they become available. And so this is GP113. All right, I think we need this one, ball heads, and then we also need this one, a GP111. It has all the other parts. Okay, and I think I'll be replacing these with zip ties. Okay, and let me also mention the screws that I bought separately. I had to like search online for each screw that I would need, which also added to the difficulty level of this particular build that we have. Again, this is gonna be my biggest for this year by far. All right, thank you so much for the support, guys. So let us begin, and I don't have the manual, so I'm just checking the manual online. All right, so first thing we need for this one, I'm gonna put this aside first. Okay, cat. All right, so the head. Okay, I need G6. Let's open it real quick. All right. All right, gotta be very careful. Okay, easier. That's two. Okay. Need G13. 1, 2. Okay. We need to do some cleanup on this since I used to glue this before. It should be as easy as this one. There you go. So next step, should it be like this or like this? Okay, you can't go wrong. Alright, so just like that. And then I should be able to close it. Let me just do some cleanup first. There you go, finally. All right. Okay. And then we put that aside. We go to this one. And 2x8 flat head screw. Okay. So this needs to be here. Alright. That's what it says. Okay. So let's be careful. You see it? It's 2x8 flathead. Okay, this is flathead, so there. It's just challenging. There you go. All right. Okay. There you go. Way much better. Okay. G5. G5, this one. We need this here. Should be there. Is it too tight? I think so, it is. Split back a bit. I guess this is okay. Hello. And this one's too tight, but that would still work. G9. This one, like so. Just like that one, just like that. And then we do G8, right? together. We need this here, right? Oops. There you go. You hear that click? That's it. There you go. It fits in that spot. There you go. Then we close it again, like so. Right. Okay. And so that's 1, 2. Now these small ones. Here. Okay. There you go. All right. And we snap them together, right? Just like that. Next, we need G11. Need to put this here. Now guys, later on, I might need to do some mod on this one. So there. That's about it for this part. Okay. This here and there you go. I like that sound. Then we okay. There we go. This G9. And G8, okay. That, okay. All right, I like that snap sound. So, does it move? No, okay. I think we're good. Okay. One right there. So, place them here. Okay, and they're tight. To close it. Okay. It's tight, but it might also separate during crashes. That's it, and then we snap this here like so. We snap this here like so. Here, right? Just like that. There we go. Okay. After a couple of trial and error, I decided to go with the Pepsi theme. And here is my Kyosho HOR rider, inspired by Kevin Schwant's Suzuki Pepsi Livery. I really like how this turned out. It's so detailed, so scale. I hate to see this crash and get scratches. I actually want to buy another rider and put this one on display and use the other one without any paint or stickers on it. But we'll see. And I thank you so much, guys, for all the support. I appreciate it. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to hit the like button as well to get more views. Badly need your help, really, to get my channel growing, and hopefully I get to share more. Thank you so much, guys.